Hey there. Today we are going to talk about the SMK Titan helmet. And if you're considering buying this helmet, I'd like to share two major pros and two major cons about it. So keep watching this video right till the end. Helmets save lives. Apart from all of the scientific and empirical data that's available out there, the fact that I'm sitting here talking to you about this helmet is proof enough that helmets do actually save lives. And it's one of the most important and critical safety gear that every rider should own. So helmets come in a lot of different shapes and sizes based on how they're intended to be used. So picking the right helmet for you based on how you ride and what is your use case is extremely essential. However, this video is all about the SMK Titan, so let's dive right into it. So the SMK Titan is a full face road focused helmet. As you can see, I have the carbon fiber color scheme one. So what they've done is they've added a layer of carbon fiber on top, but primarily it is a fiberglass helmet underneath that. So there's an amazing video by Ryan from Fortnite which talks about all of the things that go into making a helmet, all of the materials, the inner padding, outer shell, and the different kinds of material and quality of materials used. I'm just going to drop a link here and you can have a look at that video as well if you want more information about what goes into making a helmet. First, let's talk about some key features of this product. The first feature I'd like to point out to you is the visor and the fact that it comes out of the box with a Pinlock 70 already equipped on it, which is great, especially at this price point in the market. Apart from the Pinlock, another good feature is the ventilation slots. So you have the regular chin vent here. On the inner side, you can choose where this air that is coming in from the front is going. So whether it stays near your mouth or it's redirected towards your forehead. So there is a switch on the inside as well. And apart from that, you have a large vent right at the top. So you open it like this, and then you get some airflow directed straight to the top of your head. And apart from this, in terms of exhaust ports, you have two exhaust ports, rather four exhaust ports, right at the back over here. So if you look at the strapping mechanism, it is a ratchet strap, which is very fairly common. And one downside of having a ratchet strap is that if you want to take this helmet to a track, you will not be able to do that because most tracks require you to have a double D-ring system to connect the strap for you. So if you want to take this to a track, you probably will not be able to do that. And the last feature point that I'd like to mention, which is not there in most helmets, or rather it is there in many helmets, but not all of them, is the drop down visor. So it has a very large drop down visor, as you can see. And apart from that, there is also a slot for you to put your specs or goggles inside to ensure that you have a comfortable fit and not a very tight fit around your ears whenever you want to ride with specs on. So that covers the features aspect of this helmet. Now, for the two major pros of this helmet, well, the first one is that at rupees 9,000, or rather starting at rupees 9,000, you're getting a high quality fiberglass helmet, which is very difficult to find at this price point, especially with the pin lock insert already added into the helmet. So the pin lock itself is worth about 1600 rupees. So that's one big positive. The second important positive for this helmet is that it is extremely comfortable. The padding has a very premium finish to it, and it also has slots near your ears for Bluetooth intercoms to be set up. And even after that, as you can see, I have an intercom system in place with the ear pads or earphones, what you want to call them. They're already inside, and it's still very comfortable to wear and use also across a large period of time. So when I'm riding throughout the day, I do not get discomfort when I'm wearing this helmet. And now for the second con, this helmet is just extremely loud. So if you're touring long durations of time, above a speed of say 9500, the noise factor is going to get to you. I've had instances where I rode from Pune to Hyderabad and back, and on the way there, the helmet was just too loud. And over a course of a day, I had a little bit of ear pain. So if you're planning to get this helmet, even despite this con, I would strongly recommend that you buy a good pair of noise cancelling earbuds or protective equipment for your ears. So that's something that I would definitely recommend. So if you're looking for a helmet, a high quality one, about for about 9 to 10,000 rupees, about 12,000 rupees, this would be my recommendation, especially if you're looking for a full face helmet. Why I recommend this? Well, that's what the video is about. Some key interesting features we talked about, as well as some pros and cons. So if you think this video is helpful, do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us, go ahead and create more content, which involves ride-related videos, gear reviews, for riders by a rider himself. So thanks for watching and hope you ride hard, ride safe, and stay safe. Cheers.